I'm Marta.
And I'm Gertie.
We are a Canadian couple who love traveling locally as much as we love traveling abroad. In December, we bought a piece of vacant land 3 hours north of the city, and we are planning on trading in the city life for a new adventure by building our dream cabin in the woods. Hi everyone, so we are back on the land. Our front door has been installed. Our sliding door has been installed. The guys cleaned up in here, so it's looking a little more spacious. And they started the board and batten siding. I'll show you quickly, preview. It looks really good. It snowed again, obviously. It's now December, I should just expect this. And I will show you the other side that they did. You can see they're halfway done the back as well. They'll probably continue this week, and then we'll see how everything else progresses. We're supposed to have someone coming in to do our HVAC this week, our electrical inside the house, and then also our plumber is coming. So a lot of trades in 1 week, but hopefully timelines all work out, and then we get some heat in the house.
Crazy boy.
Stanley. Stanley.
I found you in your wild. I took you in my ways.
Everyone, as we suspected, our plumber, electrician, and HVAC person are all here, and it's going to be really busy in here today, but it all kind of happened that way, so hopefully everyone can make it work because they all have to use the same walls and spaces.
Looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. Strength to go on together, to go on together, yeah, to go on together. Dancing closely together and
so the plumbing in the bathroom has been set for the new sinks, the toilet, and then they still have to do for the actual shower, and now they're starting on the laundry room. So we're gonna have a sink, washer, and dryer. And the plumbing PEX lines have been run for water as well. And for our shower, we still have to do the rain head shower there. This is the ski hill. Our house is somewhere up there. They're just still doing the snow machines. It's not open yet, but it'll be pretty nice for us to walk down and be able to ski and enjoy some drinks. Good morning, everyone. So unfortunately, I did not post last week's video, and that was because we had left and people had to come back. So I wanted to show you how much progress was made with the HVAC and the plumbing and electrical. We did have our final framing inspection and all went well. And we had our rough-in plumbing inspection for inside the house, and that went well as well. And so we'll take you along and show you the progress that has been made. So there was a big windstorm yesterday, 90-kilometer winds. So the main road that we take to get here is closed. So now we are detouring, which is adding at least an hour and a half onto our drive, but the scenery is really nice at least. This is the off the beaten path route when the highway's closed. Okay, so we are back. I will show you what has been done, and the heater is not turning on right now. Maybe one of the pipes are frozen or something, but the HVAC guy is not back till Tuesday, and today is Sunday, and we really were hoping for some heat. Anyway, we're gonna spray foam the rest of the holes around the door, and I'll show you what has been done. So all the house electrical has been run. You can see all the wiring for the pot lights also was run. So the ducting above our kitchen and into the room and then into the mechanical room.
So this is our furnace that we recently installed, and this is a Coleman 60,000 BTU two-stage furnace. And pretty much this is all our HVAC person has done. The panel is here. These are all the intakes and outtakes. This is all the hot water tank. It's all gas supplied, and that's the HRV. That needs to be installed. Water filter.
Water pressure tank.
Water pressure tank, and
yeah. So you can
this is much it. The laundry stack is there.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the trades do all the rough-in for HVAC, electrical, and plumbing. And please follow our journey by subscribing if you'd like to see more. And in the next video, we're going to tackle insulation because we did pass our framing, HVAC, and plumbing inspection.
I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems